Good morning! Happy Father's Day! Anyway, we're ready na. We're going to look at Zach. Hi, Zach! Say hi! Hi! Walang grado yun. Aray ko. Oh my gosh, ang lakas ng ulan. Nakakainis. I don't like it. Can you hear that? Anyway, pupunta kami doon nga sa ate ko because it's my niece's birthday. And then, after, pupunta kami kay Leven. So, yeah, it's only, ano pa lang, 11:45. The party is at 12. But then, you know, Filipino time. Ang lakas ng ulan. Oh my gosh. Sana naman bumaha sa magdadaanan namin. But yeah. Mag-eyeshadow ako today para naman something special. Kasi, pero in fairness everyday, sunod-sunod since Wednesday ako naka-makeup. Wait, hindi nyo ako kita yan. Come here, come here. Don't go there, it's raining. Kanina pa nila gusto mag-bike. Kung kailan walang space. Okay, come on, come on. Come on, let's go. Say hi. We're here na. Sige. That's the series. Hi, muna birthday girl. Hi. Oy, say hi. So pretty. Yes. Okay. Come on, we're gonna eat. Yum.
You hold on the side. You hold on the side. Hold.
Yes. Yes. The mother of the celebrant.
Papa.
Come here. Let's eat. Look at all the birds over here. Nagbe-breed yung ano ko, brother-in-law ko ng birds. Ayan, down there. First bench. May kari-kari din pala. Come on, let's eat. Dessert time. Isang lianerang leche flan para sa diabetes. Cheers. Do you like it, Reese? Yay! Zeb, that's for girls, ha? Okay. Okay. Okay, again. Go, other Reese.
That one only.
Oh, Zeb. Oh, Zach.
That only one.
Okay, how about Zach? No. Don't get it. Okay, how about Reese? Mommy. Oh, Zeb, again. How about Zach? Open it.
Wow, what is that?
Ooh. I will open. No, Zeb. It's Ateri's gift. What is that?
What is that?
Ito. Yung case lang yung yung case lang yung case lang yung nakita. big for you.
Camarillo Official.
Ang bilis naman itong isa. Tignan mo naman, Daddy. Oh, sumandal lang ako eh. Pag-change venue na kami is 2:30. Kakasakay lang namin ng kotse. And papalitan na sana ng damit to. Mainit-init pa eh. Pawis-pawis pa kaya hindi pa binabihisan. Sumandal lang ako sa tulog. Lilipat na kami ng venue. Doon naman sa Calabins. And then, we're gonna go doon kayo sa sister niya na ano.
Pakuha mo rin si pero ba silang normal?
Wala nga eh. So yan. Ang init, grabe. So, we're here na sa Muntinlupa. Yun na. Tulog pa yung baby. So, yeah. Kumain ako ng ice candy. Mango ice candy and pearl. Sarap. Hindi ko na i-vlog. So, yeah. Quiet lang ako. Mahiya ako. Okay, play. You play?
I'll count.
You will count?
1.
You count on the wall. You go there on the wall and then you count. Ate Sel will hide. Ate Sel. Ay! Pasok ka dun sa loob ng basurahan, Sel. 8, 9, 10. Uh-oh. Where is Ate Sel? 5. God found you. Where's Kuya Zeb? Where are you, Kuya Zeb? Found you. Is it yummy? Ha? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Sus, ang itsura. Ang itsura. Ay, nako. It's raining. It's pouring. Huh, pero ang init. My gosh. Yum, yum. You like it? Sus.
Look, smile, smile.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Hey guys, it's already 10:30. Medyo late end of the vlog. Nakarating kami mga 9:30. 2 hours na biyahe from Muntinlupa to Parañaque. Yeah, kakapagod yung biyahe kasi syempre, anilikot ng dalawa. Tapos, yung nasa biyahe pa kami, ito na, inabutan na si Zach ng gustong tumedi. Nakakandong kasi siya sa akin. So, yun. Kasi nga, inaantok na mga bandang, 8:30 yata yun, or mga 8:45. Inaantok na siya. And gusto nang dumede. So, you know, trying to distract him with other things. So, ayun, likot-likot talaga. Kaya ako nakakapagod kahit na nakaupo. But anyways, ayun, successful pa rin. We are on our second day na. So, second night kagabi. So, third night na pala today. Tama ba? Oo, third night na today na hindi dumedi sa akin si Zach. So, hinahanap pa rin niya, pero push pa rin na hindi siya patitin. And so far, wala na talaga. Hindi na din tumitigas yung boobs ko. So, TMI, but yung mga mommies dyan would understand. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog. Sobrang siguro matagal na naman to matatapos kasi usually nakakapag-edit na nga ako ng mga 9:30. Nag-start na ako mag-edit, 10:30. Either tapos na siya mag-export or patapos na, nag-start na ako mag-upload. Ngayon, mag-start pa lang ako. So, for sure, late tong vlog. Pero hindi naman siya super late. Siguro, pagkagising nyo bukas, meron na. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Happy Father's Day once again. And yeah, bye. Good night. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe. Bye.